Hi traders, here we are on our live trading session video. We're looking at gold over here. We got a running position at the moment here, just a little bit under 2,000 pounds over here. We also had a short position here on the euro dollar 1 hour, and we took it all live on the round the clock trader webinar just now. We're going to be talking about why are we taking these trades and how are we going to manage them and combine price and volume together. This and more in this live trading session video. Hi traders, thank you for joining the Master the Markets team in our live trading session video today and supporting us in our mission to spread the truth of trading and help you achieve consistent trading performance. It is Stu Napan here, founder of Master the Markets Illiterates Conference and the Traders Open Day. So here we are traders on the gold position over here. Now, why did we actually take this position? As you have seen from our earlier posts on gold, we did take a few positions on gold before as well, and we've talked about it in the live trading session 239. Okay, you can take a look at that as well. It's all under our Master the Markets 2010 channel, so you can follow us there too. Coming back to here, why did we take that particular position? So let's take a analysis. We took this live as well in the round the clock trader webinar in line with the IX investor show coming on the 24th of November, where we're going to be live in person. So if you guys can make it, that would be great to see you all there. So you can see this is a downtrend at the moment on gold, right? And if I take a look on the weekly, I have mentioned this before as well. And if you take a look on the VSA, like backed by volume as well. So that's on a red signal too. So it's all towards a selling position here. And what we are taking a look here, traders, is that there is, I've mentioned this before, there is more than a 50% chance of it taking out this low by taking a look at the OE tables over here. I do remember that we had put this off trade before. Let me just see if I can see if, there you go, right? Gold going to continue further south. On this post over here that we had put, we would have mentioned also in terms of the probabilities, right? In terms of the daily time frame and all of that, which is what I'm taking a look as of now. Okay. And we also would have mentioned about the 50% more probability. Let me take a look at it together with you. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that like icon. If you haven't joined our channel yet, click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you get notifications immediately when we post up quality content like this, and especially to get our live trading updates sent directly to your phone. In terms of the weekly, right, if you take a look over here, so that is about 2790. So for it to go more than to 3000, 2790 to 3000, there is a 73% chance. Is it not, traders? Let me just hide that thing over there, which is just hide events on chart. That's a bit more easier, isn't it? And even this one as well, we don't need that. Okay, good. So if I can take a look, so to get to 3000, that means to say to take out this low and carry on more further down, there's a 70% chance. That's what OE tables tell us, open equity tables. We've talked a lot about this before. Now, for those of you not understanding any of this, highly recommend you guys to watch our 5-day video course, and from there we'll tell you what are the other video series you should be watching also under our stream section. But start off here on the Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course. Just copy that URL link and start from there. Now, coming back on the gold, so that's on the weekly, right? So I can see there's a 70% chance for it to go further down and continue in its downtrend phase one move, backed by volume as well by the VSA light indicator designed by the Trade Guider team, by Gavin Holmes and his team, okay, at Trade Guider. Now, in terms of the daily time frame, I show you as well, because of the cycle framework, it can't keep going in a straight line, right? So even though the weekly is showing like that as a straight line, but here that straight line will show as turning points, as cycles, isn't it? And that's what we took advantage of, right? So we saw that happening, and we saw the signal come in, which was a phase one backed by volume as well, orange dot with the red dot by trade guider. Then we took that position, right, on gold. Okay, and that's how we did it on the blue line on the close of the bar, and that's how we are riding this a little bit less than 1,007, a little bit more than 1,700, 2,000 pound position over here. That's what we're doing over here on the gold, right? And even in terms of an intraday perspective too, you can see that even on all the other time frames on the 4 hour, it's also a big downtrend. We just got to be careful of this move because nothing can keep moving in a straight line, is it not, traders? Yeah, it's got to turn at some point and confirm that bottom. Okay, that's what it's got to do. At some point it will confirm it. So just be careful of the retracement and don't get panicky if you are taking for longer term positions. But those of you who are looking to just exit within the day, in terms of the 1 hour, you can definitely ride that move over here, but this will also turn at some point. If you take a look on the 15-minute, it has been doing its top to bottom move for quite some time, right? Quite some time. Long, stretched, open equity getting low. This will highly confirm the bottom before continuing on in this further downward direction towards taking out the weekly potential low. Okay, so that's how we put everything together. So you've got to be very clear on your objective. For those of you who are unsure of any of the terminology or the concepts in this video, watch our free Trader Starter Pack 5-day video course as shown in Empire Cinema. It is educational, entertaining, and covers basics and advanced content with cross-transferable principles for trading and investments. It pertains to both beginners and intermediate traders, all dedicated towards helping you achieve consistent performance. Go ahead and register for it on the link below. So to summarize, traders, based on this methodology of cycle framework and open equity, right? Cycle framework and open equity, depending on your objective of your strategy, if you just want to exit within the day, what we will usually look at and which we talk about in the Stretch Principle video series, which is also found on our Master the Markets 2010 channel, under there, I will look at the ATR range. So if you take a look, the ATR range over here. So let me just do that over here. And over here, it's telling me it's about 13 points, isn't it? 21 points or whatsoever. So once our range forms 21 points, so how much is it? 13 or 14 points? Yeah, it has done that, 14 points, right? So then we can exit that. If you're only taking a look at the 1 hour on the intraday exit, that's our objective. But if I'm taking a look at on a longer time frame, let's say on the weekly, for it to take out that low here, so my first target point would be towards here, is it not? To take out that low. So if that is your case that you are looking out for, then my target will be at 1883 for the low of that, right? 1884.89, so 1883, let's say, yeah? So that's what I'll be looking at, and that's where we will be looking to come out of that position, which is around there. You see, 1884.60. So we'll ride it. So even though on the smaller time frames, we'll show a retracement, but we'll hold on to it because our objective is towards the weekly potential low taking out, which is over here. What you can see, okay, the weekly, you see, that's how you marry it up all together. Use multiple time frame analysis based on cycle framework and also the VSA light indicator, which shows and confirms the volume backing behind the price as well. Okay, so that's how we did that. We also took another position on euro dollar 2 today on the RTCT as well. So if you take a look on euro dollar, so that's what we did take as well. Same thing, um, daily time frame aligning, took a daily position. Also, in terms of daily positions, it also hit our 50% OE target, which you have been posting over here for quite a bit. You see over here, euro dollar going to reach its 50% OE target, right? So that's what we had mentioned all over here as well, right? So we held on to that today. It hit that target over here, as you can see. over here on the time frames. In terms of a 1 hour perspective, intraday perspective, also it hit our target and we took a small profit out of that as well. Okay, we documented all of that, and in terms of our account positions and everything, that was also in our account history as well. This is just one of our very small accounts over here which we're trading on this particular type of strategies. Okay, just for you all to get the concept of it and to gain your confidence in terms of trading strategies on cycles, multiple time frames, and open equity backed with volume by the VSA light indicator designed by the Trade Guider team. All right, traders, that's pretty much that from me on this video over here. We'll post and update you how this position carries on as we go along. And as we always say, till the next time, and I just remembered before I said that, the Trader Starter Pack. Some of you are already messaging me on all of that, saying, okay, how do I understand all this framework that you're talking about, Tiru? Watch this first, and we'll add you onto our newsletter and plus give you some other video series to watch sequentially to get a really good clarity out of what we're talking about here. It's been put over 15 years of collated research plus 40 years of cumulative team experience. So once you go onto there, you just can copy that URL link, put it onto here, and then you will land up over here in terms of Trader Starter Pack, name, email, number if you want live trading updates, and you can get that. Okay, traders, I guess that's pretty much that from me, taken up too much of time. And that's all from this live trading session video. And as we always say, till the next time, stay disciplined, follow your trading plan, and keep trading like a master. If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.